We are pleased to show you the 2017
Jaguar XE. The Jaguar XE is built to exceed all expectations of a compact luxury sports sedan. The XE combines technology and performance that meet the high level of excellence you come to expect from Jaguar. Its sleek exterior is sure to turn some heads.
and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, electronic stability control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.